beautiful morning. It rained a lot yesterday, so my plants got a lot of water. Picked up a few leaves, so they're dropping a lot of leaves, but we'll see. They're still there. Anyways, today I wanted to show you a collective haul. Some I got yesterday at that beautiful nursery. I can't stop thinking about it. Maxie, come here. Max, what you smelling? Maxie, you want to say hi? So yeah, but I'm gonna show you this one first. I had purchased this one off of Facebook, the Succulent Market. It's a really good place to get different plants that maybe you have a hard time finding. I saw these. I love this cactus because it's clustered, and also it gives you some really big, beautiful flowers. So I can't wait to see this one flower. I had requested for her to send me one that wasn't flowering, because the picture that she had some that were flowering. So I'm hoping, I don't know if this means that it had flowered already or if it's gonna flower. I don't know if these buds are, that's what that is. But yeah, it is super cute. You can touch it like this, and this is not, it doesn't hurt either. But yeah, but this is a super cute one. Really like it. I hope the sun is not hitting it too bad. So I will put her name on here, and you guys can go to Succulent Market and search for her by name, and then just message her and ask her to send you some pictures of what she might have. It's kind of hard there's no specific link for someone on the Succulent Market, you know, but you can private message them. Okie dokie. And then yesterday at the beautiful nursery, I got these awesome looking Horthias and this Apuntia. So let me just take this one out first. I know they're gonna fall in. I've seen this one before, but I just haven't seen it. Let me see if I can focus here. Can you guys see the pretty pink? I just haven't seen it this pretty. It just looks so nice, the colors. So I had to get it. And then this Horthia, hold on, I'm gonna have to grab them both because they're gonna fall in when I take one out. Okay. This Horthia is beautiful. I don't know if you can see the hints of pink that I see in there. There's hints of pink, but I love how it's outlined with the white. And it is such a firm Horthia. It's very firm, very pretty. I'm gonna make arrangement with this one, with the other Horthia and maybe another Horthia that I have, and place it out here maybe. We'll see. Or inside, I'm not sure. I have to see. This is another beautiful Horthia. Also, the color is like if you were to take green and put a pale gray over it, it's very pale. It's just very interesting to look at. Very pretty. So that's what I got. And then I got this super cute pot. That's the place I was at. So I like this pot because of how wide it was, or is, how wide it is, and then short. So I really like this pot. I don't think it says say dimensions on it. Yeah, it says 4 inches, I guess. Yeah, I'm gonna say 4 inches. And it's such a cute pot. I really like it. I should have gotten more, but it gives me a perfect excuse to go. It is It was only $1.50, so that's pretty cool. So that's what I got from there. And now for my unboxing. So let me tell you about this unboxing. This person is on Instagram, but they have an Etsy shop. I will post her information. I can leave a link for her down below because she has a link to her Instagram and to her Etsy shop. But I have seen this plant on Instagram. Beautiful looking plant, and I've always wanted it. So when this person had cuttings for sale, I was like, oh yeah, I'm buying it. So, yep, let's see. Oh, I see it. Yeah. So I've seen they grow. This is you can see already. Oh, it came out. She wrapped it in here, but it came out. That's not a big deal though. It's okay. This is a monkey tail cactus. How beautiful is that? And many of the pictures that I've seen, the hair gets really long. Oh, and are these? Hold on. Are those seed pods or flower buds? I can't tell. So cute. So this grows just like that. Let me see if I can show you guys. See that dogtail cactus? Well, this monkey tail cactus grows just like that, but it's thicker and super hairy. And it has beautiful pink flowers. I've seen pictures of them. So yeah, you can Google the image. So soft. Such a cool plant. So I'm excited to have it add it to my collection. I will let you know. Let's see how long it takes to grow roots. So I'll have to put it in dry soil and let's see what happens. Today's the 30th. So, hey Maxie, what's wrong? I know she smells stuff and she wants to find the lizards. So that's super cute. And that's it, guys. That's it for my haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for all your support, and thank you for the feedback yesterday on that video that I made yesterday. I had to upload it again because they had beautiful music playing in the background, but I was flagged, so I had to drop another instrumental over it. So I know some of you guys said that you guys couldn't hear me too well, but it's because of that, because I had to drop the song over it. So yeah, I mean, if I go visit there, they're always going to be playing the music in the background. So if you guys don't mind me making videos in certain places without me talking and just showing you what's there, and just playing maybe like an instrumental song in the background, if that's okay with you guys. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and have a blessed day. Bye guys.